Ayun pala.
All the tears I cry, all the pain I keep inside. My
Ang mo muna, Tess. Lalabas lang ako.
my
Lalabas. Hina ka lang pa itong konti.
was it just a dream when you said to me that there's someone new in your life? You could have at least tonight, but you just hurt me. Even if you mean the whole downward to me, I can forget you wait and see. I can be strong and live without you.
Nagbibideo si ate. Baka mapasama tayo.
Hoping you come back to me, but deep inside I know I repeat.
Then parang pumayat ka din. Yes.
Balik tayo.
Obviously.
Sana all.
Ulit na?
Sabi niyo.
Oo, pumayat siya ng kunti, be.
Siya ayaw ko din.